Hey everyone, thanks for stopping back and welcome to a new video. So I started this out, I'm trying to do some bigger blooms. I've done like a million tiles and those seem to work out pretty well, but when I'm doing anything that's much bigger, it is a little bit more difficult to blow out. So the first one that I did here, I tried blowing it out with a hairdryer and I just wasn't happy with the amount of lacing that I had. I definitely need much more practice when it comes to blooms. So today the colors I'm using are Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden, Orange by Artist's Loft, and then I think it's like a deep magenta color, and then the other last color I'm using is Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam, and I'm using a white cell activator today. Also, the other thing that I have started experimenting with is just using different paint brands. I started out using like a Behr Glidden mixture, and it seems like no matter how much Glidden I added to the Behr mixture, it was always just way too thick. I tend to use more tube paints just because I really don't use a ton of the fluid, and I don't use a ton of pigments, so it seems like every time I would mix my paints up, they would always be really super thick. So just using the Glidden by itself helps to make it a little bit more fluid when you're using the tube paints. So I went ahead and I just blew this out with my mouth. I have gotten frustrated when I try to use the hairdryer with it. I'm not super happy with the amount of lacing I have in this one either, but I think the end result isn't too terrible, but something to keep working on, I guess. So here I have sped this up by 2. It might not look like the paint is moving, but it is moving some. I want to just sort of recenter it and get some of the white off. And then I really speed this portion up. I'm just sort of dotting kind of where I had some air bubbles, and I have some like white specks that I'm trying to get rid of. I didn't get rid of as much white as I wanted, but I think I did a good enough job. So here are the results. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.